Hello, friends. Welcome to Knowledge World, and thanks for the response on the videos I have been posting on regular basis. And thanks for the so many comments and messages sending on my LinkedIn and other networks. Here I got query from few people, and they want to know the recruiters database. So see, I'm just trying to do a help here. Maybe like a few email IDs are working, few maybe not working. That's we'll be updating as well. And this video is going to be on shared basis, so everyone can post in this. So try to add a few database from your side. I'm sharing this Excel sheet in this video, which is going to be open for you. So just go ahead and enjoy that link, which is in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm not going to add so much discussion in this video. Just go to the link. You can update your database. I'll my adding. I have added already more than 10,000. Thank you. Bye bye.